Hello traders, in this video I would like to show you quite profitable trade and explain it from that entry point to fixation. You will find out how to serve the trade during the admirable movement to optimize your profit. Before we start, I recommend you to subscribe for our free setups channel where professional traders share their thoughts on different setups. Moreover, pay attention to the free scalping course that would be very useful, especially for beginners. The link you will find under this video. The trade was on the Matic USDT. The instrument showed very high volumes, demonstrating participants' interest to the instrument. There was a 4-hour time frame maximums, and here huge buyer appeared and the instrument broke the trend line. This slope was broken and then the price reached daily maximums. The decision was to participate in the break of this strong level. There was strong level, even more it was round price, namely $1.50. There were 3 attempts to break the level, however only the third one turned to be profitable. Finally the breakout occurs as you see. The buyers face no resistance, the participants push the price with no corrections and we catch about 4-5% instantly. Here the first parts of the position were fixed as we got good percentage and should fix at least a part of our position. Here we see some resistance, first fixations with a red color filling the clusters. However, buyers are still very strong. They keep pushing. As you see, there were the targets of this movement. By that moment, the part of position was fixed, as you see, but the target was to renew the previous extremum. First fixations of scalpers in clusters appeared, more and more red color in cluster. We can consider the first sign of correction. Buyers are getting weaker, but only locally. Look at the delta. It has turned from green to red. Several parts more fixed, however I see the high interest for the continuation of the movement and I decide to wait when all the scalpers would fix and there would be the continuation. I decided to add some position on the retest on the lower time frame. There will be retest to 1.5 that was broken initially, and from this retest I would add some position. I was about to stop there, however new limit orders of buyer appeared and that was a reaction. The continuation of the movement. The movement in process, but it's not so active as I expected. Look at the delta and clusters. And buyers failed to buy out the sellers to overcome it. There was very hard movement for buyers to push the price higher. So I decided to fix there as the resistance was too high. The delta was not stable. The result plus $5,000. Please always adhere to your risk management and always trade with comfortable size of position, not to be under their psychological pressure. I also recommend you to get Crypto Scalp trading course by CSCALP team absolutely for free. It will be especially useful for beginners. The link you will find in the description under this video. The video was prepared by the CSCALP trading platform team.